Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm making is I'm utilizing my slow cooker, and I'm making something that if a person does not have any cooking knowledge and has a slow cooker, trust me, you can make this. It only requires 2 ingredients, and it's so simple. It's just like putting the stuff in the slow cooker, adding the sauce, and putting the lid on and letting it do its thing. What I'm making today is slow cooker pulled barbecued chicken my way. And like I say, it's so simple to do. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. I'll have this in 2 parts. The first part I'm going to show you how to do it, which is not going to take that long at all. There's nothing really to do. The second part will be the plating up, and I'll show you how to come out. So go ahead and we'll get started here. Here we have my slow cooker, and I always line it with one of these slow cooker liners because it's so easy to clean up. It's so easy. You just grab the bag, take it, boom, it's done. Otherwise, you got to sometimes scrub the inside of the pan, and it don't come out good. What I've got is 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. What I have cleaned off, patted dry, and I'm going to put these in the slow cooker. And you just put them in there just like so. Get this out of the way. Now you're going to need some barbecue sauce. Mrs. Scoggett, for some reason, loves the slow simmered original Kraft barbecue sauce, and that's what she wants. If I added another type of barbecue sauce in, she wouldn't eat it because she says that it's got to be Kraft. I don't know, that's just her. I guess she was raised on this stuff or something. Me, I like other kinds of barbecue sauce, and I like to, because every barbecue sauce what you get has a different flavor to it. But this is one what she wants, and I want her to eat some of this, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And all what you do is just pour the barbecue sauce on top. If you have a smaller bottle, just 1 bottle would do. This is a large bottle, so I'm not going to pour it all. I'm going to save some of it. Make about half, I guess. And you can see what I did here is I just went ahead and poured the barbecue sauce on top of the chicken breast. Now what I'm going to do is just put the top on it, set it to high. When you cook this, if you cook it on low, it's going to take anywhere from maybe 7 hours, maybe 6 to 7 hours. If you cook it on high, it's going to take about 4. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm just cooking it on high because I'm getting a late start. So it's going to be ready when I'm ready to eat it. But that's all it is to it. Like I said, just leave it alone. Let us do its thing. And then we'll come back and pull it. When you go to pull it, it's very simple also, and I'll show you how to do that whenever it's done. Now you can make this and have it with anything. If you want it with tortillas, if you want it on the side, if you want whatever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sandwiches out of it. So I'm going to have me a pulled barbecue chicken sandwich, and that's what's for supper. And it's like I say, it's very easy to make. It's not hard at all, and anybody can do this. If you're just getting started in cooking, you say, I'm tired of fast food. want something different, just go get you some chicken breast and throw it together. If you got a big family, do the same. I mean, they'll love you for it because this comes out excellent. I've done this several times. I'm just passing it on to y'all. And go ahead and let this cook up. You know, kick back, relax, and enjoy the day. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And I hope you give this a try. Have the second video coming up, and y'all take care.